many videos on YouTube and people got to ask me what software do you use in editing your videos and make this particular content come out as neat as this. In this particular video, I want to walk you through with this simple editing software that I currently use. Now the beautiful thing is that it's absolutely free. Yes, you don't have to pay anything and it's available on mobile phone and PC. So now this basically means there is no excuse in wanting to create any content. So on my screen here, this is the CapCut app. What I need to do is to click on it right now. So when you click on it, it will open up like this. Here is the new project. You can sign up to your Google account here. Here is the setting. Click on setting here. This is where you set your project. I mean the way you want it to say when you are done editing your videos, this is where you will set it. As you can see here, this is save to. This is where it will save. Material dream, get manager, get site, save, but you cannot cancel. I've already saved this, so I'm going to cancel. So the first thing we need to do is to add in a new project. When you click on new project, it will open like this. As you can see here, there is nothing in here. This is media, audio, text, sticker, effects, transition. Here is where our video will be showing when we are editing it. This is import, this is AI generation, this is library. If you press A on your keyboard, it will click. This is a selection button. This is split. This is click to the left. This is select leftward, select rightward. Here is the settings that we made earlier. After editing this video, the name it will show is 0312, or you can change it if you want. This is how it will save light. The ratio is original. This is the original size. I will show you how to change the size for YouTube Shop or Instagram or TikTok. The frame rate 30, but you can change it, but I always leave it on 30. This import material, keep on original place, but you can still change it. That's what I said before, and so on. So what we'll do next is to click on this import to import our video, or you can drag and drop. Let's import our video. We have imported our video. The next thing we need to do is to bring it to the timeline. Here is your video timeline here. We have dragged it to our timeline. Here is timeline zoom out. You can zoom it out or you can zoom it in. You can equally use Ctrl plus or Ctrl minus on this place. As you can see, I'm zooming it in and out. So I've reduced the size. Before you start editing, the first thing you need to do is to remove where you made mistake. As you can see on this our timeline here, you will see space here. This is where the video starts. You can see this space. What we need to do here, let's play the video first. As you can see here, I'm not talking here. Let's play the video. As you can see, I'm not talking here. I'm still memorizing what I will say. That's why it's silent. Let me bring it to this place. Let's hear what I said here.
At this stage,
it's a mistake. What we need to do is to bring it close to this place. We will make sure that we will start at the right place I'm talking. When you bring it to this place, you click on this icon here. This one is split. This one is delete left. This one is delete right. So here is our left. So I'm going to delete left here. If you click on it, our clips is now small. This is the video we are going to edit. So if you look at it here, let me zoom it out so we can see it very well. If you look at here, in the center of this video, there is a place that I didn't say anything. Let's play the video from here. You can see this place. I am not talking. What we need to do is to remove this place so that the video will line. If you place your cursor here, click on this split. Then if you click on it, it will split, as you can see. So when the video splits, you bring it again to a starting point. The main place I started talking. As you can see here, this is the main place I started talking. I will place my cursor here. Use this same delete from left. Once I click on it, it will be deleted. And if you check this place, at the end part, I didn't say anything again. What we need to do is to remove this place that I didn't say anything. So you play the video. You stop at the right point. I stopped talking. That's where you split it out. I stopped talking here. You are going to use this one, delete right, or you can place W on your keyboard. Now our video is set. If you play it now, I am talking throughout the video. There is no mistake in it. In case you have too much noise on your background, what you will do next is to come over to this place. Click on this audio. Click on here, noise reduction. Once you click on it like this, the noise you have on your video will reduce, but there is no noise on my video, so I'm not going to click it. Let's say for instance, you made your video and your face is not smooth and you want to smoothen your face. So what you need to do is to come to this place, video. When you come to this video, leave this basic watermark. What you go to is this enhance. If you click on it, you will see face. If you click on it here, the effect will apply on your face. What you need to do is to smooth it the level you want. As you can see, it's reading here. You can smooth smooth it to 100, you can smooth it to 82, 53, 19, 0. You can still brighten up your face. Let me zoom it so you see how it look like. Now if you want to add makeup on your face, you can apply makeup here. Eyelashes, nose, mouth, eyebrow. If you want to add anything here, you can add it. If I want to apply makeup, you can still apply makeup with this, but I'm not going to add anyone here. Next one here is to add sticker. As you can see here, we have different types of sticker. Depending on the type of video you are making, you can add the sticker that match to your video. These are different types of sticker. Let's say for this one, emoji, you can see the stickers here. Maybe you talk something funny, you can use this one. Let's say you're asking your viewers to like, you can use this sticker. Maybe at the end of the video, when you add this sticker here, just click on it, reduce the size. Let's bring our cursor to this place. You can reduce the size like this. As you can see here, maybe you are asking them to like your video, you can still use this sticker. Let's play the video so you can see. The next one is to add effects. The next one is to add this effect. Depending on the type of video you are making, this is threading, opening lens, nightclub, 2024, light effect, ritual, star, TV, dark. These are many types of effects and so on. Let's use this lens effect. This is lens effect. If you drag this thing to this place, this is how it will look like. If you drag it to your video, this is how your video will look like. Your video will just change color. You add the effect according to the video you are making, but I don't need this effect. I'm going to delete it. If you click on it, here is delete, or you can press delete on your keyboard. After that, let's go to transition. The audio and text is the last one we'll add in this video. This audio and text is the last one we'll add in this video. When we are done with this, we will export. Click on this transition. This is overlay, camera roll, basic, light effects, and so on. So what you will do here is just to apply your transition here. Let's use this one. Okay, it's still loading. So what we'll do here is to add this transition. Let's drag it as overlay. So if you drag it here, let's play the video.
Thank you for watching.
This is how the video will look like. So let's check another one. You see how the video will look like once the clips reach here. You can see it's glowing into two. What we'll do next is to add animation. So when you click on this animation, you see in, out, and loop. Before adding this animation, you need to select your clip. Once you select it, you go to animation, click on it. As you can see here, it's loading. When the video wants to start, the animation that will show, this is out. When the video wants to stop, the animation that will show, this is comb. So let's start with this one and see how it looks like. This is the video we selected, so let's use this one. If you click on it, if this video wants to start, it will bounce like this. If you click this one, if you want to start, this is how it will look like. Did you see it? So if you click on this one, let's go to out and see how it look like. Still on the same clip. I don't want to add any animation here, so I'm going to click on this none. Let's go to out and see how it look like. Let's use this one, fade out. We click on it. At the starting point of this video, you can see it. Let's play the video. At the end of the video, you can see it zoom out. Let's use this one, zoom out. Let's use this one, clip. At the end of this video, it will clip. Let's use this combo and see how it look like. Let's see the first one here. Let's check this one here. If you click on it, this is how the video will look like.
Add subtitles to your
video. Did you see? Let's check another one. If you use this one, Pedolum 2. Let's click on it.
At this stage, add subtitles to your
video. This is how the video will look like. But I don't want to use any of this. I'll click on none. Now if your video is too fast or is too slow, you want to increase the speed or you want to reduce the speed, just click on here, this speed here. If you click on this speed, you will see this normal. This is the speed. It's the normal place it should be. 1.0x. This is where it should be. If you add it here, the video will be faster. If you keep adding it, it will be more faster to this place and it will reduce your clip. Let's do it. As you can see, the clip I selected has reduced because the video is now fast. Let me take it back to normal. This is the normal speed. But if your video is too fast and you want to reduce it, you go to here, press it to 0.9 depending on how you want it to be. When you draw it back, your clip will large. Let me take it back to normal. This is the normal size here. Now if you want to change your voice, you can use this one, voice tune change. You can use this one to change your voice. Like I told you at the beginning of this video, I will show you how to change your video size in case you want to use it for YouTube Shorts or Instagram, TikTok, or whatever you want to use it to. What you will do is to come to this place, ratio. When you click on it, this is mini video size. This one is for YouTube Shorts. It will look something like this. As you can see here, my video size has changed. Let me move it back to normal. I will click on this original. As you can can see here, the video has come back to the normal size. Let's say for instance you want an extra video to show on this video, or maybe you're advertising a particular product and you want to show the product. What you need to do is to add overlay. So to do that, you go to this import, if you click on it, go to your gallery or whatever to add the video you want to add. Let me add my own video here. I've added our video. Let's say I'm talking about a marketplace. This is a video about a marketplace, so I'm going to drag this to this place. As you can see, the clip is longer than the video. What you need to do is to reduce it, or you split it out. Go to this place, split, or you place Ctrl B on your laptop. So let's split it. After splitting it, you click on it, then delete it. Or you can still use this one, delete from right. Let's do it again. Just press Ctrl Z on your keyboard. If you want to use this delete right, or you can press W on your keyboard. If you click on it, the video will just disappear. Let's say you're talking about a marketplace. This is a marketplace. And if you still want to add another thing, you can equally reduce it. Just drag it to this place. Let's say here is the main place. You started talking about the marketplace. Let's play the video.
At this stage, add subtitles to your video.
As you can see, it's showing here. Or maybe at the end of your video, you are talking about how to make money or something like that. You can just take this to this place. As you can see, it's showing on our screen. Maybe you want it to be at your right, or maybe at your left or top. What you need to do is to reduce the size first. If you reduce the size, if you want it to be here or down, anyway, just play around with it. Anywhere you want it to be, you can place it here. Then you reduce the size, or you can split it out anyhow you want it. Let's play the video.
At this stage,
as you can see, it's showing. Then I'm still talking here.
Thank you for watching.
It's showing here, but I don't need all these things here, so I'm going to delete it back. I just added it for the sake of this tutorial. So what we'll do next is to add subtitles to this video. So what we'll do is to click on this place, text. When you click on it, you see add text, default, AI generated, effects, text templates, auto caption, local caption. So if you want to type in the text with your hand, you can just carry this default text, drag it to this place. Maybe is this place you want to add your text at the beginning. If you click on the default text that you drop in here, this place will change. You will see the default text here. This is where you will add your default text. My name, Esther, God give. This is what we're adding here, Esther God give. As you can see, it's not looking beautiful here. For us to design this our default text here, what you need to do is to go to this place, under it, this font. If you click on it, it will show you many fonts. It's there for you to select the one you want. So let me select one here. Let me select this one, elegant. As you can see here, it's a little bit bold. So the next thing we'll do is to, if you check here, this is style. Under it, this thing means bold. This U means underline. This one means italic. Like if you want the text to be italic, as you can see, let's click on the italic. You will see how it will look like. This underline, let's click on it. Our text will be underlined. Our text will be a little bit bold. So this case, this is lowercase letter, this is title case. So here is the color. As you can see, it's shining white. That's what white is indicating here. If you want to change the color, you can select any color of your choice here. Let me select this color. Let me select this one. As you can see, the color has changed. This one is character. This character means if you want this your text to have space, or maybe you want it to come a little bit closer, let's add it. If you want it to come closer, you click here, this particular place. As you can see, my text is coming closer. And if you want it to have space, if you click here, as you can see, the alphabet is having space. Let's go back to normal, which is 0. Second one is alignment. If you want it to be in the left, click this. If you want it to be in the right, in the center, that is just the meaning of this alignment. So this place is where we'll do some graphics on our letters. So if you click on this one, as you can see, the letters have changed and this one is more beautiful. Let's try another one, and as you can see, the letter has changed. Look at this one. You just select the one of your choice here. Let me use this one. I like this. So the next one is position and size. This is where you set the size of your letters. Say if I draw it here, as you can see, it's now big. If I draw it smaller, as you can see, it's now small. Let me draw it to the size I want. Okay, this one is fine. This one is position, like where you want it to stay. You can equally do it with your mouse. Just play around with it. This one is bend. You can reduce the opacity. If you reduce the opacity, it will look invisible. As you can see, it's invisible. Let's increase the opacity. This one is the color. This color here that is shining black, you can still change it to another color, but I don't want to change it. You can still select any color of your choice. This one is thickness, the thickness of the black. I like it at 40. You can still increase the thickness. As you can see, it has increased. You can still reduce it if you want, but I like it at 40. Let me keep it back to 40. This one is background. If you want to add background to this text, you can just click on it. As you can see, I've added background on my text, but I don't need any background on my text. So what we'll do next is to add animation on our text. So these are different types of animation. You can choose any one you want here. Let me click on the first one here. Let me click on this. Let me see how my text come out. I just like this. I don't need any of this animation. Let me click on this. None. Let's go to out. The same thing with the video. This is how you want your text to zoom out. Let's click on the first one here. How it will zoom out. Okay. This is how your text will zoom out. This one is blue. You select on it here. This is how it will come out. This one here is tracking. If you want to add motion to your text, you can still add it. This one is text to speech. This one is text to speech. You can add anyone to change your text to speech. So you still go back to this text. If you click on it here, we will not use this default text again. We will now go back to this auto text. If we click on it, anything say in this video is what this CapCut will generate for us. So the default setting is English, but if you don't want English, you can change any language here. You can say Chinese, France, Germany, and so on, but I'm leaving it at this English. This clear current caption, let's say for instance you've already added caption, or maybe you don't like it. If you click on this place, the first one that you added will just delete, then you create another one. Click on this create. As you can see, it's generating here. Once it is done, our alphabet will be showing here. As you can see, it has generated everything we say in this video. So what we need to do is to click on the text here. If you click on the text, you will see it here. Like in this video, it says at this stage, and the AI writes at this state. So I'm going to change it here. Any setting we do here will apply to all these things. It is written here. As you can see, the text is not looking beautiful. Let's design it. First thing you need to do is to change the font, like the first one. On the first one, you use this elegant. So let's change font in this one. Let's use this one, cherish. As you can see, our text has changed. And the next thing we do is, this is font size. Is to add the font size. You can add it from here, or you can add it from here. Just keep clicking. It will be adding the font. But I don't want to add anyone here. This one is style. This B means bold. This one is to underline the text. This one is italic. This one is case. This is uppercase. You want the whole letters to be in uppercase. This one is lowercase. You want the whole letters to be in lowercase. This one is title case. The first letters will be uppercase and others will be lowercase. So let's change it to this one, title case. Now let's change the color. You can choose any color of your choice here. Let's use red. And this character, I've already explained this one. You can still change it here. You can still change the colors there. Let's use the yellow. This is opacity. This is the color. This is the thickness. Like I said before, this is the thickness. Let me drag it back to 14. This is the background. If you want your letters to have a background, yeah, I don't want it. So on. I've already explained all these things. Now let's go to the template. This is the template. Let's say if you want your letters to be coming out like this, let's use this one. You want your letters to be coming out one each. Anything you said, it will be coming out one. Let's play it so you see how it look like. Let's just play it.
Your video to enhance your viewers' experience. Thank you for watching and bye for now.
And let's use another one. Let's check on this one. Let's play the video.
At this stage, add subtitles to your video to enhance
You can see I like this one, so we are going to use this one. This is animation. You can add animation here, but I don't want to add anyone because my letters is neat and very nice. This tracking, I've already explained all these things. The last one we need to do is to add in your audio. If you click on it here, you see different types of music here, different types of background music. But if you're using this video for YouTube, you don't need this because YouTube will tag it as a copyright. If you're using it for Facebook or Instagram, you can select any music from here. If you want to add your background music for YouTube, what you need to do is to go to YouTube and download a background music, or you use Epidemic Sound to download your background music. What I will do next is to import my music. I will go back to this media and click on this import. So I'm going to drag this under my video because it's my background music. As you can see here, it's very long. So what I need to do is to zoom it in here. What I need to do here is to bring my clip to this place. I will click the music. Once I click the music, I will use this effect, delete right. Once I delete it, my video will now show. So on this background music, you can reduce the volume. You can reduce the volume if it's high. So we are going to reduce the volume on this basic here. This is volume. You reduce it depending on the size you want. As you can see, it has reduced here, and this is the end of our video. When you are done, you can now click on export. On this export, like I said, you can change its name. I told you that the title of our video will be 0312. Let's change the name. I will type in my name, Esther Godfrey. So that is it. This is our export name. This is the resolution, the bitrate, or you can change all of this, but I like it like this. You can change it to lower if you don't have enough space. This is the format MP4. This is the frame rate. This is the frame rate, 30 frame rate. Then you export. Let's go ahead and click on export. As you can see here, our video has export. You cannot use it as we intended. Either to post it on your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your website, anywhere you want to post it is left for you.
Thank you for watching and bye for now.